We are currently visiting a waterfall. I'm gonna figure out what is it called. I'll show you. I think Ma&Ri knows what it's called. This area here is amazing. She doesn't even know what it's called.
Much later. Much later.
We'll try and put some sort of location, or I don't know, there's like a cliff, name of a cliff that's nearby here if you want to come here. There's a Christmas tree up here on one of these cliffs. I'm trying to get up here to see the waterfall from higher above. If we forget to put a name in the video, then just let us know in the comments. Oh, this is getting a bit steep here. I want to show you the Christmas tree. I don't know why there's a Christmas tree. It has like decorations and everything. Yeah, so it's there. There is a train track up here, which is slightly worrying. And for some reason it doesn't look like, well, maybe it's abandoned. Actually, it could be abandoned. I was gonna say it almost looks like it's still in use, but I think it's abandoned. What a view! Ho ho ho! Wow!
Vidikovac Viline Doline. We figured out the name of the waterfall, and it is Vidikovac Viline Doline. Probably said it wrong, but we'll put the name down there. So we actually found it while we were looking for places to visit in Bosnia. And on the Bosnian side, we can actually see that there is a track for tourists. Yeah, so on the other side of the river, we can see a track for tourists, you know, like a trail where they can take a walk, take photos and so on. On this side of the road, it's just a railway basically. And yeah, very small track and a couple of places to park the car. But yeah, actually on the other side of the river, it's already Bosnia. So the river is on the border between two countries, Bosnia and Croatia.
We have found a small trail that goes down just by the railway tunnel. It goes down, it seems like, towards the river, and obviously knowing us, we are gonna go and see if we can get down to the river, because it's probably gonna look really cool if we get there. But the trail is really sketchy, like the steps are just wobbly, and yeah. We didn't make a video from Scotland trip, but Ma&Ri had to get like in the middle of the river no matter what, and seems like she's on a mission again. Ma&Ri!
Oh wow!
As you can obviously see, we made it to the rocks down on the river, and it is really, really stunning. If you have a chance to go to Croatia, highly recommend this place, because after all the coastline, which is all nice and dandy and the water is cool and the cliffs and rivers, well, there's not actually that many rivers that we've seen, it's all very nice and cool, but like it's all hot and dry in the summer and it gets a bit too hot on occasion. Then this kind of little valley with the river and waterfalls is just nice cool air, and it looks beautiful, and highly suggested to visit this place.